Sure, you can put a TV on your nose. I'm not sure that makes you in the metaverse. It's like weird, like, when I grew up, it was like, don't sit too close to the TV. It's gonna ruin your eyesight. And now we've got, TV is literally right there. I'm like, what? Is that good for you? So this is the view of Elon Musk on the concept of the metaverse that is going viral in every corner of the world. If we analyze Musk's statement deeply, it seems understood and clear that attaching a virtual reality headset to our face will not only make us exhausted in a few hours, but also makes us look like going through some third world punishment. However, what is astonishing is that Facebook has already invested gigantic $10 billion on its Facebook Reality Labs, which is responsible for creating Oculus VR headsets for the future. This means that Facebook is making sure we humans become perfect internet zombies by sleeping with VR headsets, eating with VR headsets, and probably even showering with VR headsets. Not to mention, according to recent statistics on Metaverse in 2024, Metaverse's market size will be $800 billion, which is 17 times more than it was in 2020 at $46 billion. As promising as it looks, does this mean that the Metaverse will be the future? Moreover, if it is true, is there any other way to connect with Metaverse than an exhausting VR headset? Well, Mr. Musk is already working on an amazing alternative to VR headsets, which will soon come to market. To be more specific, here is that alternative that Musk himself talked about in the same video. Yeah, a Neuralink long-term sophisticated Neuralink could put you fully in virtual reality thing. As you just noticed, Musk completely believes in his Neuralink corporation that can help us connect with Metaverse without the need for any VR headset. This makes us curious enough to discover what is Neuralink all about, and how long would it take for us to experience this concept. Don't forget to watch till the end, because we'll also discuss the revolutionary hologram technology that's about to become a reality, just like the Jarvis in the Iron Man movie. So, what is Neuralink? The concept's objective is to install a chip in your brain that can make your mind a supercomputer. You can install anything you want, recover your memories, and learn endless courses in just one day. Furthermore, if you don't like anything, you can just click the delete button and throw it into the recycle bin by pressing a button in your brain. I think I got a little excited and said too much in that last line. However, Musk has said that Neuralink is the only way to keep up with dramatically rising artificial intelligence by merging yourself with the machines. Why did Musk take the initiative of Neuralink? It all started in 2016, when Elon Musk hired a highly qualified neuroscientist from various universities to help him in this project. Their objective was to implant a fragile chip or a device that can be inserted just above the cortex of our brain so that it can help in eradicating severe brain diseases. However, in 2018, Gizmodo, one of the leading technology websites, reported that Neuralink is being highly secretive about its work. Well, the secret objective lies behind Elon Musk's statement when he said in an interview that this concept is created to fight artificial intelligence, which can wipe out entire human civilization if not checked from time to time. A few years later, in 2021, a clear-cut demonstration was made by Neuralink showing a monkey playing a ping pong game with the help of a Neuralink chip implanted in the animal. Are there other companies also taking the same steps as Elon Musk? Well, many companies have already jumped into this amazing project. For example, BrainCo, which was founded even before Neuralink in 2015 and is known by very few people. It simply focuses on creating headband sensors, which capture brainwaves to better understand how our brain functions. Emotive. This provides professional brain data and has won awards for making such achievements in understanding human brain functioning. MindMaze is a Switzerland-based company that creates human-centric machines that help them predict brain signals before they occur. So, is Elon Musk right about the artificial intelligence objective of wiping out the entire human civilization? Well, we have some compelling examples to share with you. If we look at the current market, the robotic industry stands at $50.17 billion US, and China is now the highest supplier of artificial intelligence-equipped robots, which is already on its way to taking away the jobs of thousands of individuals. With the advent of self-driving cars already, many drivers are on the brink of losing their jobs, which they have considered a perfect life for decades. In Japan, now you'll find complete AI-driven machines that create fresh and juicy pizza out of a vending machine in less than 10 minutes. And even artificial intelligence-equipped applications are slowly diving into our mobiles. For example, Speechello software can turn any text into a compelling voiceover. You can either pay monthly or annually to create as many voiceovers as you want. And the best part, you have hundreds of automated voiceovers to choose from. However, as this software is getting better each day, it puts voiceover artists' careers at a serious risk, who have spent years developing this skill and made a life out of it. Although it is still in the development stage, it's quickly catching up by learning from customer feedback. Another example can be taken from Alexa, which gathers information from online data and acts like your personal Jarvis from Iron Man movie, by providing with information on the basis of your command given. However, it is slowly taking heat from TV news agencies for making customers habitual to Alexa for news updates instead of watching it on television. And if Alexa manages to reach a journalist's home, then it would probably be destroyed before getting played. The dangerous part is that Alexa adapts daily to its customers' demands. If it fails to answer any question, that unanswered question goes to the Amazon database, which creates a better way to respond to their customers by providing an update of the speaker, thus adjusting with time by also leaving dependence for news on humans behind. Hologram Technology. As we know how Elon Musk's Neuralink initiative could help us stay more advanced and connected with the world without the need for wearing irritating VR headsets, it is time to have sweet taste of the amazing hologram technology and find out when we can experience it into our world. So this is one of the most compelling and realistic hologram technologies that would soon change our world or create our world just like the Iron Man movie. In simple words, we might be able to have our own Jarvis, just like we all imagined while watching all the Marvel movies. The credit goes to a California-based company called Lightfield Labs that uses light to create those astonishing holograms. To be more specific, the company has created a next-generation display called Solid Light that creates unrealistic holograms without the need for a TV screen. For example, to create a 28-inch display of the hologram, the company uses 2.5 billion pixels to manifest the desired object. So imagine watching your favorite movie or watching Dude Perfect videos on YouTube in such an unrealistic manner without the need of a VR headset. It seems such things will soon be a part of our life, and of course, for legal purposes. Moreover, the best part is the company has already started taking pre-orders to ensure it reaches into our life as soon as possible. So this is how we could enter the metaverse without spoiling our eyes, with the help of Neuralink and hologram technology. Although it is acceptable that such revolutionary technology could take some years to develop itself ideally, we believe it will massively change the way we live when it enters the market on full scale. As per the latest developments on Neuralink, Elon Musk now has said that his Neuralink corporation will start implanting brain chips this year itself. Luckily, people with severe spinal cord injuries will be the first customers. So, what do you think about the concept of Neuralink? Do you think holograms are better than VR headsets? Let us know your answers in the comment section below. Tesla is secretly creating a new smartphone that may crush Apple. Check out more info about that by clicking this video right here. Don't forget to press that like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.